So previously we had a discussion about reading a sequential file. Now we are going to have a searching a sequential file. As you all know that the data is nothing but number, both reading and also searching operation. Okay, so definitely we have a one important file. That file is nothing but number dot that file where we have a value of 10, 20, 25, then 42, 26. End of file. Okay. So this file we opened already. Okay. Then we are going to search whether the given value, for example, I am going to give a value of 20. So this is a search value. Search value is nothing but 20. That value we have to find from one by one because it's a sequential file. So start from the beginning. We have to check 20 is not equal to 10. Then no value found lower there. Then again pointer is moving to the second one. Now check the value. Yes, found it. So file was there. Our file has the value of 20. That is the process we are going to do it. For that also we must follow the same operation what we had at reading. File operation. Okay, that is nothing but open a file. Yes, open it through the file operation. You know that file open, file name and read mode. Not on the write mode, read mode. Okay. Then what will happen? Again we have to read the data one by one. So start from the 10 and we have to read one by one the values. Then instead of here, so this function has to be followed for the reading. Then in between the step of 2 and 3, I am going to write 2.1. That is for searching. After reading the data, I am going to check the data which was there, the file, and also what is the data we are going to be searched. Both are equal or not. Double equal to operation. If this operation is true, definitely what you want to search the value, that value was there in the file. For example, 20 is there. Then automatically what will happen? That value has to be printed. That means yes, present. That answer will be there. Then I can stop the process there itself. If the file is not present until the end of the file also, there is no positive answer of yes present. Okay, so that will be happened over there. That there is only one thing or only one line of statement we have to change in between the 2 and the 3rd step for searching. Okay, likewise in pictorial representation also, what will happen? You know very well. Start, then open a file. This is the coding we have to use for open a file. Then we have to check while file is end of file. That means not equal to end of file. This is going to be continue. Okay. This while function is going to be continue. Then after that we have to read the data. So once you read the data through the getW, then it is going to be get the values. The value is nothing but 10, first value. So here previously only one statement we have to write. What is the statement? No, we don't want it because here I have mentioned the value, not the variable. See, 25 was there or not, that we have to check. If I am not writing the value here, if I need to write the variable of b, then I must get the value of b through the scanf statement. That is why I am saying like that. Okay, so leave it now because I have given only the values. Okay, once you read the data from the file, so first value is equal to 10, then here 10 will be there. That is what I have drawn over here, checking condition. After reading the value, I have to check whether the reading value of A from the file double equal to 25. So what will happen? 10 was there, it is not equal to 25. Automatically where it goes to here. Then it come back to again while condition. Then getting the next value. Pointer will be moving to the next value. 20 is there. So what will happen? Here A will be 20. Now also condition false. Then what will happen? Again going back to the while. So pointer will move into next value. That is nothing but 25. So now A is equal to 25. Condition will be true. So automatically what will happen? So this function output is going to be printed over there. Yes, present. Then break I have used here. Then automatically the file operation or the while operation stopped over here. Then finally we can close it. That is what I have drawn here. See, check the data. If it is yes, write on the console, close it. Otherwise, what will happen? We have to run the value again and again. That's all.